use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop.
The alternator is a JS320.
Okay.
And the lithium is SCIB lithium banks.
Okay.
So
Got it. Nice. Yeah, because I couldn't tell.
yeah, it's we got 2 banks. There's 112 amp hours each.
Okay.
So each amp has its own SCIB.
Okay. And this is a 6th order?
Yes.
Wow, that's a really small corner in the back. Do you know the tunings?
I don't remember. It's been too long.
It's okay. I like your fur action too.
Thanks.
Yeah. Wow. So what are these subs rated at? RMS on them, I forgot.
I think they handle up to 3,500 watts RMS.
Okay. Very nice. Wow. And the other ones you have were like 1,500, I think?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I keep on pulling coils.
Really? Yeah.
It took a while to clean out that whole enclosure. There's one, there were just guts everywhere.
Really?
Yeah, it was bad.
Have you done any SPL tests on this?
I'm going to do that today.
Okay. Well, good luck on the meter. I would say at least, what are you going for? 55, 56 at least? Or?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. Awesome.
Definitely.
Awesome. How low are you able to play down to on this?
No, I haven't tested it yet.
Really? Okay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Cut out some noise for you.
Yeah, it's a lot quieter.
All right, you ready for some tunes?
Yeah, man, I love to hear it. Yeah, awesome.
Here we go, man.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Got one more song?
Yeah.
All right, awesome.
Just want to do the song for you.
Sure.
Give me 1 second.
You're good.
Let's try this one.
What's up? Hey, T, come on, man. Damn, we out of cut again. I told Pot to bring the shit together. But it be the fact.
Wow. They have a lot more punch. It's a little punchy.
Oh, yeah.
This sounds really good, man. I appreciate it, man. That was 35.46. Okay. Nice. Wow, awesome, dude. Really a lot of pressure for mid-30 hertz range. I appreciate the demo, man.
Yeah, not a
Very
problem,
nice.
man. Thanks, Jacob.
You're welcome, man. Good to see you again. The low note Tundra, right?
Yep.
All right.
Take it easy, buddy.
You too, man.